Mic check 1 2 3 4. Can you guys hear me? Am I loud? Am I clear? Am I loud? Am I clear? Do I need to be louder? Who's ready? We've been waiting for this over a week. We're about to see Shanghai open. What's going to happen? Are we gapping up, gapping down? Let me know in chat. We're going to be live in 9 minutes. 9 minutes we'll be live. Smash that like button if you're ready. Yes. Who's ready? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Please smash that like button. Only 20 more to 200. We're going to be live in 8 minutes. We're going to cover the Shanghai Open. I'm going to break down the late breaking news. We're going to party together as we see what silver has in store for us. Are we going up? Are we going down? Let me know right now. We've been waiting for this for over a week. What is Shanghai about to do? We're going to find out together here live. Who's ready? Who's ready? Li Shi Zhe Guardian. I'm ready to say it. I'm ready to say Li Shi Zhe Guardian. We'll see if we can do it. We're going to be live in 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Who's ready? Let me know right now. It is tomorrow, but today, because it's tomorrow already in China. That's why. Today is tomorrow in China, so both are right. It's opening tomorrow in China, but today, 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we'll see the chart start to move. Who's ready? They live in the future. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Please smash the like button. Please share the stream.
From Tokyo nights to Rio sun, from Arctic ice to island drums, every stamp on my page.
Who's ready?
Another drop in the wave. Silver stackers, answer the call. Voices rise like a tidal wall.
Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Please smash that like button if you're ready. We're going to see Shanghai open. We're going to cover the news. Who's ready? What's up, Silver Street? Good to see ya. We've been waiting for this moment for over a week. They are now trying to smack down silver on the Comex. We're at 87.48, but can they hold it off? We're about to see live what's going to happen. Are we gapping up? Are we gapping down? Are we all about to be trauma bonded together? We're going to find out in just 5 minutes. Smash that like button if you're ready.
Stacks of silver, stacks of gold, digging treasure, riches untold. International stacker, here to say, shiny vibes coming your way. Silver shines, gold's the glow.
Who's ready?
Watch it grow, giveaways for all. Feel the thrill. International stacker chasing that mill. Coins and bars rare to find. treasure.
Ladies and gentlemen, 1,000 people are waiting. We're going to be live in just 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Smash that like button if you're ready. We're going to see Shanghai Open. We're going to cover the late breaking news. Who's ready?
Chasing that mill.
4-minute warning. Top off your drinks. Top off your drinks.
Clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright.
Let's go.
Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow.
Let's go.
Giveaways for all.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 3 minutes and 30 seconds. What's going to happen? We're going to see Shanghai open up. We're going to cover the late breaking silver and gold news. Smash that like button if you're ready. 3 minutes and 20 seconds till we're live. Let's go.
Where you belong.
Let's get it.
Chasing that mill.
Nice, Chris. Or Christian, nice Christian. That's awesome. 3-minute warning, top off your drinks.
Quest.
It's about to be a wild ride. We've been waiting over a week for this.
International stacker.
If you're ready, smash that like button, throw something in chat. Let me see who's around. Where are you guys at right now? I'm in Key West. What state are you in? What country are you in? Let me know right now in chat. We're going to be live in 2 minutes and 40 seconds here.
Chasing that mill.
Here we go.
Crabs.
It's the final countdown here. 2 minutes and 20 seconds till we're live. Drop a crab in chat if you're ready right now. Smash the like button. 2 minutes, 15 seconds. We're going to watch Shanghai Open. We're going to cover the news.
Golden space.
Let's go.
Your claws up, don't delay. Yeah. Join the party night and day.
Get your claws up.
And silver is the key.
Let's go.
Nation, dance with me.
Let's get it. 1 minute and 40 seconds till we're live.
Gold and silver, who wants it all?
Who's ready?
Are you ready for the mega gall?
Better yet, who wants free silver? Put free in chat right now if you want some free silver.
Treasures found, the music's played. Get your claws up, don't be late. Yeah, join the party night and
Here we go.
is the key. Crustacean
1 minute warning till we're live. 1 minute warning. Smash that like button if you're ready. We're about to watch Shanghai Open. We're about to cover the breaking news here.
tidal rhythms in the sand. Shiny spoils laid by hand.
Let's go.
We're the crew, the shell brigade.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live here in just 45 seconds. What's going to happen? Are we going to gap up or are we going to gap down? Shanghai's about to open here.
Stacker.
Thank you, Canistacker. Welcome to being a member. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. Okay, guys, get ready. Here we go.
Dance with me.
Let's go. Let's get it.
Dance with me.
Here we go.
Dance with me.
Do you guys want the old school intro or the little kid intro? Let me know ASAP. Old school or little kid? Let me know.
Dance with me.
Here we go.
Dance with me.
One stacker on a journey to find silver. International stacker.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen? The name's International Stacker, and I'm coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Where are you at in the world, and what are you sipping on? I'm currently just sipping on some water. That's all for tonight. I need to pick up some champagne because when silver breaks $100 an ounce again, I am going to be popping champagne with all of you. 1,900 videos around the world, and thank you so much. We're at 64,491 subscribers. That means only 9 subscribers left to the big show. So let me let you guys know what's going on. Shanghai is going to be opening here imminently, and it has been closed for over a week. The Shanghai Futures Exchange closed at $88.16, and when it closed, we were in the 70s on the Comex. But all day today, silver's been on a rage. We got as high as $89.05 earlier. Then there's every day, remember, there's a break on the Comex from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that's a 1 hour break. And on that break today, look at this, gap up on silver. And on that break today, gap up on gold. So silver is currently right now, fortunately, we filled that gap. It's on a green candle traded at $87.87. So this is my first alert of the stream. So the first alert of the stream is we close at 88.16. We're within 20 cents. We're at 87.96. We're within 20 cents of being above where the Shanghai Futures Exchange closed there. Within 20 cents. Let's check the futures market here. Silver futures is currently 87.44. Hold up. Wait a minute. 87.44. Second alert of the stream here. We are currently in backwardation, and that's when the silver futures price is cheaper than the current silver spot price, and that signals instability in the system. Institutional traders want their silver, and they want it now.
It's my silver, and I want it now.
It's their silver, and they want it now. They don't want to wait till a contract in the future. That signals tightness in the market, tightness in the big bullion banks, and boy, oh boy, are they running out of silver. And ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start to see the Shanghai Futures Exchange move here at 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we're just about 20 minutes away from that. Gold was on a tear today as well, ladies and gentlemen. Gold on the trading session today, we got as high as $5,215.30. We're currently trading sideways on a red candle at $5,230. And boy, oh boy, has the gold to silver ratio been interesting today. We got to a low of 58.84 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold, and we're currently trading at 59.56 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold. So we are currently still sub 60 to 1. Boy, oh boy, ladies and gentlemen, 2,400 people on the stream, 533 likes. Smash that like button. Only 70 to 600. I think we did it. Channel members, you know what to do. If I refresh this and it says 64,500, it's time for the big show. Let's see, channel members, help me out. 64,500. Thank you so much. It's time for the big show. Four time. Four time. Thank you so much.
Introducing the 4-time Crystal Light Champion, International Stacker.
Thank you so much. That's the quickest we ever did a big show. The name's International Stacker, and we're covering the market here live. What's going to happen? I need to know what you guys are. We got a green arrow here. We got a red arrow here. Are you team green or team red? When the Shanghai Futures Exchange starts to move here, are you team green or are you team red? I think we're going to gap. I'm pretty confident we are going to gap up or down. What do you think? Are we gapping up, green with the BGC? Are we gapping down? Let me know right now in chat. I've got a couple updates for you guys, a few pieces of news before the market opens here. So let me update you really quick here. And on this right here, I said, beware the Ides of March. Wait, we're still in February. The Comex is running out of silver. So this is a post by Just Dario saying, target at the Shanghai Gold Exchange and the Shanghai Futures Exchange in China resumes in less than an hour. And ladies and gentlemen, it is resuming here in about 25 minutes. Silver at the Comex is currently trading at 88.20, and now it's at 88.85. 88.20, and the C-Vol, which is the volatility, is at 103.76. And there are only 3 trading days left before March silver futures begin to settle. without enough physical ounces in the Comex. Pull out the popcorn, ladies and gentlemen. And as you can see here on the chart, he highlighted this. It looks a bit like an inverse head and shoulders. So the left shoulder here, the head, the right shoulder. The rule here is that the right shoulder must be higher than the left shoulder, and it is. So if this ends up being an inverse head and shoulders, we should be seeing another sharp movement up here. But we'll see what materializes. And a big indicator here is going to be what happens when the Shanghai Futures Exchange opens. And look what I said earlier today. This is 4 hours ago. I said breaking silver squeeze. Western spot just hit 88.54, higher than the Shanghai Futures Exchange's pre-lunar New Year close at 88.16. China's been dark for the holiday, but the Comex didn't sleep. Now Shanghai reopens tonight. And guys, that is just in about 20 minutes here. Will they close? Will they chase this gap? Physical bids are already being whispered at, oh man, that should have said 95. Typo alert. 95 plus in Shenzhen, a moonshot incoming. So that was a little bit earlier today, and that's an embarrassing typo. Boy's my face red. And I put this one out earlier too. Silver alert, Mexico in chaos after cartel leader El Mencho's death. Global supply squeeze. Guys, remember, Mexico, they produce about 25% of the world's silver. They mine it. So they mine about 25% of the world's silver. They supply 45 to 50% of the silver imports into the United States. And now there's roads that are blocked. There's mines halting operations amid the violence. So there's a lot of issues going on there. The cartels have actually been extorting miners down there. They've been stealing shipments of smelted bars. The Comex stocks are draining fast, and there's no restock coming from Mexico. Some of the silver here was bound for the Comex, and we all know they're down to 88 million ounces. They're down to 88 million ounces, and they've got something like 270 million outstanding. You can see here about 270 million outstanding, but they only have 88 million to cover. What's going to happen? The U.S. imports up to 70% of our silver from around the world. And again, about 50% of that's from Mexico. What if deliveries halt? Is there a price spike incoming? What do you guys think? Are you selling your mining stocks? I'm certainly not. I did put the video here from Clive Thompson. He's great. So there's a video there. So make sure to follow me on X, previously known as Twitter, INTL Stacker, so you can catch up on the news there. And Bald Guy Money said, officially quadrupled my initial investment in mining stocks today. The journey started July 2023. I continue to hold and look for opportunities to take some profits. And I said, I'm right there behind you, Bald Money. Congratulations, Bald Money. And this was from Silver Trade earlier. Silver erases the slam attempt. This was this morning. They tried to slam us. We got back up to over 88 with China reopening now, soon. What's going to happen? And I put all eyes on China there. Back to the charts here. And thank you so much, Pam, for the super sticker saying thanks for being you. Thank you for being you. Really appreciate the support. And I did want to shout out to a brand new channel member earlier, two of them, Chris Gibson and Canistacker. Congratulations. Remember, channel members get access to channel member only live streams here on YouTube in the War Room. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Clothing is not optional, and all members get access to that. So right now, silver is trading on a red candle, 87.44. Looks like the bankers are doing everything they can to try to tank the price. They want some negative momentum to try to get the Shanghai Futures Exchange to gap down here. So that is the goal. We've got this negative momentum all of a sudden. Gap up after the break. All of a sudden, we got this negative momentum. They want the Shanghai Futures Exchange to gap down. But you might as well call us Twisted Sister because we're not going to take it. Gold's trading at 5,225.60, and the gold to silver ratio is still under 60. And ladies and gentlemen, we are just a little bit here, a little over 15 minutes away from the Shanghai Futures Exchange market opening. 525 Medic, thank you for that membership. Really appreciate y'all. What is going to happen? What is going to happen, ladies and gentlemen? I'll cover a few new pieces of news, and then I'll go to your questions in chat. So when we get to the questions and session, make sure you put at International Stacker so I could see it. We've got 2,600 people on the stream, and we're 3 likes away from 700 likes. Please smash the like. Whoever is number 700, you're going to get good luck for 15 years. It's science. Woo! And MBA Economics said silver is going to hit 90 plus before China opens. It got close. We got to 88. And I said, do you think it's possible? Will we hit it before China opens? We got so close, ladies and gentlemen. Not 88. We got to 89. We got to 89.05. And of course, they're trying to slam it right before China comes back on. And Bar Chart put out earlier that gold has overtaken the US dollar as the largest global reserve asset. And I said, and yet they tell you it's an antique and it should not be, you shouldn't be stacking it. It's an antique. You shouldn't be stacking it. It's antiquated. That's what they tell you. So let's go back up here to the breaking news. Let's go check the charts. All right, if you got a question, put it in chat. Make sure you tag me. And Taberson's saying, holding its own. Silver over 100 by tomorrow at close. What do you guys think? Will silver be over 100 by tomorrow at close? If you agree with Taberson, put 100 in chat. I'm curious if you guys agree. And Has No Boss says, does Mexico's situation equal force majeure? I don't know if that's crazy enough to enact that clause. Remember, a force majeure. And guys, that is something that the Comex can enact. It's in their contract. And that basically means they can cash settle. So if people have long contracts and they want physical silver, the Comex could come in and cash settle it. And there's a lot of conjecture that they're going to have to do a force majeure or some other rule change because they're so short on silver. So are they going to try to use Mexico as an excuse? Maybe. If something kicks off in Iran, are they going to try to use that? Maybe. We'll find out together, that's for sure. And Huma Stacker saying, Silver Dave needs help. He needs a boat out of San Diego to get him and the crew out. Is he really stuck, Huma Stacker? Let me know. Brian McQuillan saying, usually silver and gold move in the same direction. Gold is up. Silver's getting smashed. Thoughts? So let's look at this. Gold, currently right now, well, now I would say gold and silver are both getting smashed right now. And remember, silver usually moves a little bit more. So far in the trading session, which only started at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so 2 hours ago, we're only negative 0.03% on gold. We're negative 0.83% on silver. That's normal. Silver moves a little quicker, a little bit more volatile than gold. So that's nothing out of the ordinary for a slam. Okay, Canastacker saying apparently refiners are paying up to 112 for silver. That's in China, and they're not. I've heard they're paying up to 95. That I'm not sure about 112. I've heard 95. Oh, Dave put a, so okay. Somebody please send me a link to that. Please email me a link, Floyd, if you can, to that video. Okay. Someone's saying MILF means millions of lustrous fines. That's funny. Send me that video. I'll check it out. We'll see what we could do for Silver Dave there. Hello, Mr. Stacker. Are we ready to blast off this Will life cycle? I hope so. We'll find out soon. Guys, here it is. Shanghai Futures Exchange closed over a week ago at $88.16. And we are just 15 minutes away from seeing this chart move again. 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, this chart will start to move. What's going to happen? Is it going to be a gap up? Is it going to be a gap down? Let me know right now in the chat what you guys think. 2,700 people on the stream. Thank you so much. We're only 80 likes away from 900, so please keep smashing it. And guys, gals, make sure you subscribe. I'm at 64,526 subscribers. That's only, what is that? 74 away from the next big show. And some say if you haven't seen a big show, you haven't lived. Some say. Here we are, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 15 minutes. This chart will start to move here. Let's look for some more news. Bada bing, bada boom. Algos to slam. Oh, thank you so much, Stefan, for becoming a channel member. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And the next time I do a war room, I'll be seeing you in the war room. Clothing is not optional. That's a member-only live stream here on YouTube. Thank you, Floyd. You emailed me the link. Okay, so algos to slam silver price into Shanghai Open are on again and on fire. What a surprise. 15 minutes till China trading, and it is smashing. So China trading is actually starting now. The Chinese market is actually starting right now as we speak, but we're not going to see the chart update for another 14 minutes. 14 minutes, but we had a pretty big red candle here. Now, guys, there's something we do on this channel that some scientists say work 90% of the time, every time, to turn a red candle green or a green candle to a BGC. Ladies and gentlemen, it is called the baby gator.
I'm going to try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
Ladies and gentlemen, I thought I was going to be like Chubbs and Happy Gilmore. You guys told me to do a baby gator call, and that iguana jumped out and gave me an adrenaline rush I have not had since the Crystal Light Champions ships. And Sean Leslie, thank you so much for becoming a channel member. You are mega. And Coins Houston, thank you as well for becoming a channel member. You're all mega. We got a big red candle here. We are currently trading at 87.03. Hold up. This chart will start to update, but it should already be trading here. I think it's a gap down, guys. I think it's a gap down here. Give me a second. Look at this. Yay! Holiday. Copper. Aluminum. There's gold. Where in the world is Carmen Silver? Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see. Trading. Okay, we're going to see the chart start to move here in just 12 minutes. 12 minutes, the chart will start to move here. Is it a gap up or a gap down? What do you guys think? The 15-minute delay is brutal. I hate it, but it's just how it works. I had to sign a special agreement for this chart, guys. It was not easy to get this chart like this. Frodo, thank you so much for becoming a channel member. You are mega. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And channel members get access to the channel member only live streams here on YouTube called The War Room. And I do want to say a big thank you to all the Diamond Claws members. If you're a Diamond Claw member, thank you so much for supporting the channel. I really appreciate you so much. And the big question for everyone right now in chat is, who has Diamond Claws? Who's got them? Who's got Diamond Claws? Let me know. Ladies and gentlemen, we are just, wow, 11 minutes and 20 seconds away. And Vegas Stacker just gifted a channel membership. Thank you so much. And that went to Great White Cat. Congratulations, Great White. That's awesome. Make sure you say thank you to Vegas. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. You now got the Diamond Claw yourself. So go ahead and drop that in chat. And ladies and gentlemen, this chart's going to start moving in just 11 minutes. Who's ready? 11 minutes away. Let's see the late breaking news. We certainly have people in China tweeting right now. I'm sure. Silver Trade says silver 4-hour chart continues to hold its parabolic cup. If the cup holds, silver will trade back above 120 by March 1st. Whoa. That is a bold prediction. Is it going to hold the cup? What do you guys think? Let me know. Whew. We're going to see what happens here. This chart is going to start moving here in just 11 minutes. Gold import. Look at this. India gold imports prints just printed a new record. Strong buying from the East adds another layer of confluence to gold's momentum as physical flows tighten and macro drivers stay supportive. The biggest gold import on record for India. Let's pop back over here to the chart. Look at this, guys. The baby gator's working. It's science. Okay, we just took a giant chomp out of that. Look at that giant wick hanging down. Looks like a spinal column. Silver currently trading on the Comex at 87.55. We're waiting with bated breath right now. 9 minutes and 45 seconds until the Shanghai Futures Exchange chart starts to move here. Let's see what happens here, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! We closed at 88.16 just a little over a week ago. What's it going to open? We're going to find out right now together. And we have some negative pressure on gold and silver, but we're not going to take it. The gold to silver ratio is still under 60 at 59.74 to 1. What's going to happen, guys? What do you think? Are you changing your votes? Are you team green? Are we gapping up? Are you team red? Are we gapping down? This chart is going to start to move in just 9 minutes. We're 9 minutes away. Smash that like if you're excited. We're only 66 likes away from 1,000. I think we can get there. I think we can get there. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to find you guys breaking news. Hold up. Anyone still keeping an eye on the Japanese banks by any chance? I'm not. Just Dario. Sorry about that. Okay, hold up. We're trying to look at late breaking news coming out of China right now. Give me 1 second here. Whew. China reopens. Shanghai is officially back. And we're going to see this chart start to trade here, guys and gals, in just, what is that? 7.5 minutes? 8.5 minutes. What's it going to happen? What do you think of AI Asian guy? Is this just hype or is there any... I don't know what he was talking about. What was he talking about today? If I had not watched the video, what did he say was going to happen? We're going to shoot the moon or fall to the floor. Which one did he say? I'm sure it was one of those. Pray for the shorts, says Mr. Uppy. Guys, pray for the shorts. Guys, a lot of stuff still going on in Mexico. A lot of stuff. Remember, Mexico produces 25% of the world's silver. So we're definitely, I think, going to see some knock-on effects for that. There's definitely going to be some mines that are delayed in opening. And guys, did you know this? The gold medal now is 1% gold. It used to be like total gold. Now it's 1%. What a joke. Ladies and gentlemen, silver is currently trading at 87.24 and gold's trading at 5,201 on the Comex. We are just a couple minutes away from seeing the Shanghai Futures Exchange start to trade. What do you guys think is going to happen? Team green or team red? We're gapping for sure. I guarantee we're gapping. Are we gapping up? Are we gapping down? We're going to find out here in just 7 minutes. 7 minutes away. What's going to happen? If you got questions in chat, put them in. Make sure you tag me. Whack Cackle in chat saying the EU agents blew up the Hungary pipeline today. Whoa. I didn't see that. We'll see what happens there. And Jonathan saying, I don't live there, so it doesn't affect me. I mean, it does, though. They produce 25% of the world's silver. So that will affect you. Currently, okay, Dirt Road saying the Shanghai Futures Exchange is down. We'll see. We're going to start to see this chart here, right here, start to move in just a handful of seconds here. 6 minutes. 6 minutes still starts to move. What's going to happen? What's going to happen? What do you guys think? Gold medals haven't been 100% gold since 1912, says Floyd Lawton. That's disgusting. How many Olympic medals are made? Over 200? More than that, Christian Love. Hundreds. Jonathan's just being sarcastic. Okay, got it. Positive. Thinking up, says Taberson. What are you guys, team green or team red? We're going to find out here in just 6 minutes. Okay, let's go back to the news. We'll cover a little bit more news before it opens. Cartels in Mexico are now reportedly chasing down civilian vehicles on the highway and opening fire. Do not go on a trip to Mexico right now, guys. Make the banksters poor again, says Silver HQ. Cold Silver HQ. PM miners filled the gap today. That's good. Look at all these gold bars. Don't you wish that was you? I wish that was me. One day, maybe one day we'll be there, guys. Crustacean Nation. Here's a cartel garage. There's just so much stuff going on in Mexico. Wow. And then let's see what you guys are saying real quick. 3,000 people on, guys. We are just about 5 minutes away from the market opening here. International Stacker from Florida Man. It's almost sad to watch them try to nerf silver at this point. You don't gap up to have it slam down. Yeah, they're only doing this because Shanghai Futures Exchange is coming back online. That's why. That's exactly why. And look at Okie Sooner saying, do you agree with what I see? International Stacker, if you look to the left, we're going to be having a struggle through 90 and the 93 range. Yeah, there's definitely some resistance there, but we're going to push. We're going to push hard. And ladies and gentlemen, silver is at 87.33 on the Comex right now. It's trying to push back. We're going to start to see the Shanghai Futures Exchange start to move here in just 4 minutes and 30 seconds. We're getting close. And thank you so much, Daniel Whitley, for that super chat saying, year of the fire hose, big gap up. Woo! And Christian saying, glad to hear none of the U.S. hockey team got real gold. Sorry. That's funny. The rivalry is fun. We got a lot of Americans in chat. We got a lot of Canadians in chat. I did not watch it, but for what I understand, it was a good game. Okay, we got gold and silver on a green candle here. So we're going to see what happens in Shanghai. We're going to see this chart start to trade in under 4 minutes. Who's ready for this? Smash that like button if you're ready. Under 4 minutes until Shanghai chart starts to move. Are we going to be team green or team red? Let me know right now. Trying to get you guys late breaking news here. Okay. Guys, Bitcoin under 65,000. Wow. Wow. Oh, look at this. That's Eric Young. He's in China. A lot of our run here is being driven by action in China. Don't forget that. Okay, let's go here and see what you guys are saying to me. Okay, Keith is saying there's a bunch of copycats. Those are the originals. Okay, we did cover that. We did cover this. We did cover this. Do you think the CME will use the scapegoat to declare? Yeah, maybe. If there's a scapegoat to be had, KH. Otherwise, they'll just make up another rule. Check this out. This is big, says Yield Farmer. Someone is buying massive amount of $20,000 gold strike options. Look at this, guys. This is the end of the year. And somebody's buying all these strikes, essentially betting that gold is going to hit this 12,000, 13,000 mark. Whoa. Up to 20,000. Oh, it's, yeah, 20,000. I'm sorry, I was reading the wrong side. 20,000 here. Wow. Okay, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we are just, let's see here. We're 2 minutes away. I'm issuing a 2-minute warning. I'm issuing a 2-minute warning here. Is it going to be Team Green or Team Red? It's going to guys, it's going to be hard for it to be Team Green with this price action slam right before. This is definitely meant to manipulate. Look at this channel down on silver on the Comex. Look at this channel down on gold. It's going to be hard for the Shanghai Futures Exchange to start off green with that kind of down pressure. We'll see what happens here. Ladies and gentlemen, 1 minute and 30 seconds. What's it going to be right now? Let me know in chat. Team Green, Team Red. Let me know. 3,400 people on the stream. Thank you so much. We're only 10 likes away from 1,100. Please smash the like. The next 10 people to do it get good luck for 15 years. It's science. Okay, we're 1 minute and 10 seconds away, guys. We are glued to the charts. What is going to happen here? 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm issuing. Okay, I'm going to upgrade the alert to a danger zone alert. I'm upgrading. We are upgraded to a danger zone alert. Here we go. We are 45 seconds away. Is it going to be gap up or gap down? Let me know. Are you Team Green or Team Red? What's it going to be? Let me end the poll here. Let me end the poll. The poll is ended. 58% of you say gap up. 10% of you say gap down. Here we go. We're just 30 seconds away. What's it going to be? Who's excited? Who's ready for this? Keep hitting that like button. 95 likes away from 1,300. Here we go. 15 seconds. I'm going to count it down from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Major gap up. Major gap up. Major gap up. Major gap up. Whoa. Ladies and gentlemen, let me zoom in. Hold up. Oh my goodness. Becky, look at that bar. We just had a major gap up to $99.19. $99.19. Take that, Comex. Breaking news. I got a live feed coming in from the Comex right now. I'm piping it in. Poor Mortimer's having a dang heart attack. Silver on the Shanghai Gold Exchange, after over 1 week of being shut down, just gapped up majorly to $99.19. The Comex is in full panic. They're trying to crash the price. Look at them. Please initiate the plan. Crash price. Shanghai Futures Exchange is out of control. Crash the price now. Crash it now. But guess what, ladies and gentlemen? It ain't gonna be enough. So we gapped up majorly to $99.19 equivalent on the Shanghai Futures Exchange, currently trading at $96.94. Wow. I told you, year of the fire hose, says Daniel Whitley. And thank you so much for that super chat. And a big welcome and thank you to all the new channel members. All the new channel members, check out your custom channel member emojis. And remember, channel members, you get access to the channel members only live stream in the War Room. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Clothing is not optional, and that's here on YouTube. And guys, welcome everyone to the stream. The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. And remember, I've got over 1,900 videos around the world on gold and silver adventures. I don't only live stream stuff like this. I live stream breaking geopolitical news that can impact gold and silver. And I also live stream our journeys around the world to find gold and silver. We've bought gold and silver in the markets of Africa, the markets of Dubai, Saudi Arabia. We've been everywhere. And it wasn't that long ago that I was in Egypt at the Great Pyramids of Giza, and you all told me to get on a camel.
Take the camel, guys. Camel cam, guys. SHFE here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. There you go. Oh, wow, look at the 3 pyramids, guys.
So I live stream around the world on gold and silver adventures, and this morning, or this evening's adventure, is the Shanghai Gold Exchange. Again, for everyone just joining, please smash that like button. It gapped up to $99.19, currently trading at $96.90. Well, all hell is breaking loose here on the Shanghai, or on the Comex. They are definitely trying to crash the gold and silver price, but we're not going to take it. Guys, should I go pay the banksters a visit? Put bankers in chat right now if you want me to pay them a visit right now. The bankers' favorite song is "You Can't Cheat All Day. You Have to Start in the Morning." That's funny, Brian. Should I pay the bankers a visit? Let me know. Mortimer is having a baby gator, I know. Okay, you guys want me to pay the bankers a visit. I'm going in. I'm going in. Yes! Let's do it! And guys, thank you so much. I am at 64,567 subscribers. That means we're only 33 subscribers away from the next big show. I give away free gold, silver all the time. In 2025, I gave away over 100 ounces of silver. I gave away some gold and copper. Thank you to goldback.com. I was able to give out 800 1/2 goldbacks to y'all. 2026, I gave away 26 ounces of silver so far. I'm going to be giving away a bunch more. I gave away some copper and gold as well. I've got a big giveaway coming soon. All you got to do is be subscribed. Turn on those notifications because you certainly don't want to miss it. If you want some free silver or gold in my channel in 25 or 26, put winner in big, bold, capital letters in chat. And everybody, as you see all those winners scroll by, that could be you. All you got to do is subscribe. Woo! Back over here to Shanghai, where it's holding its own, guys. We're at 97. 97, so I'm going to mark 98 here on the Shanghai Futures Exchange. Give me a second. 98 is going to be our next target here on Shanghai Futures Exchange. We gapped all the way up to 99.19. 4,000 people watching. Thank you so much, guys. Please hit that like button. We're only about 65 likes away from 1,400. I know we can do that. And Florida Man Racer in chat saying, I bought 5 more 1/2 gram, 5 more 1 gram, and 3 more 2 gram gold backs today. Nice. Congratulations. That's epic. Guys, did you buy something this week? Did you guys pick up something this week? Whoa. And thank you so much, Shelby, for joining as a Diamond Claw member. I appreciate all the Diamond Claw members on the channel and in the chat right now. And the question to everyone in the live stream right now is, do you have Diamond Claws? Let me know. So what did you guys pick up this week? Let me show you guys what I picked up. I picked up, hold up. I picked up 2 things this week. First up, I got this 10-ounce Loki bar, Germanium Mint. It's a Germanium Mint Royal Mint collab. Any Brits in chat? Any Brits in chat right now? So I got that. And I got this from a channel member. A channel member opened his own goldback shop. It's called Red Dirt Reserve, LLC. And I picked up 1 bundle of half goldbacks. So that's my gold and silver pickup this week. This last week, I should say. What did you guys pick up? Let me know. Wow, Littlefoot Silver Stacker got 790% silver. I bet you got a great deal on those. Good job. Designs by JVL got 2000 W proof gold platinum. Gold and a platinum $10 commemorative Library of Congress. Congratulations, Designs. Great buys there. Got some silver Krugerrands coming for under 83, says Taberson. That is a great buy. Good job there. Wow, thank you so much to Brian McQuillan, gifted 5 International Stacker memberships. And those went to Robert Gay, Stanley Vine, Greg S., Pistol Pack and Pilot. Hey, good to see you, Pistol Pack and Pilot. Lanny Plans. You all got free memberships from Brian McQuillan. Make sure to say thank you to Brian. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And remember, all channel members, I'll be seeing you in the war room. Ooh, and Robert Gay picked up 5-ounce Sunshine Mint bars. Good job. I picked up a new clutch for my motorcycle, says Jonathan. Well, that's important too. You got to make that thing go. Lee Cummins says picked up 20 ounces and 10-ounce 2-ounce Queen Beast Lions last night, just before the BGC had opened. Great job, Lee. That's awesome. Snowman here picked up a full set of 2000 Australia Olympic 1-ounce silver set in an original box. Wow, good job there. And we're watching the Shanghai Futures Exchange move here as the bankers are trying to slam, but they're not going to be successful. And we might have the makings here of a DTB forming. That is something that we talk about on this channel. And we dearly only say the name in low breath. And look at this, guys. We almost filled the gap. Look at that. We almost filled the gap on that little attack with silver. So we'll see if we can get a DTB formation there. And then gold 2, we'll see if we could do the same thing. Remember, they do their slam down, but it doesn't last forever. And the Shanghai Futures Exchange is certainly not working with them. We're back up to 60.06 to 1 on silver to gold ratio. Back to Shanghai here, 97.06. So we are back to, wow, just like that, guys. We're at $12 premium. We're just like that. We're back to a $12 premium from the east to the west. And someone said, got my 401k self-directed to dump into SLVR. Nice. Nice, dang mine. Nice. Nice, dang him. Dang me. Good. Okie Sooner saying, I'm waiting on a gold buffalo any moment in the mail. What does it mean if it says MS69? I got it from Andy Sheckman. MS69 is it's a graded coin, and MS70 is perfect. So MS69 means it's almost perfect. Good job. I had both my eyes cataract surgery on Tuesday. Better investment than precious metals, I'm sure, Ralph. Ralph, are the candles brighter now? Let us know. Once you got the cataracts removed, are the candles bright? And guys, you're not going to believe this. We are at 64,592 subscribers. That means we're literally only 8 subscribers away from the next big show. 8 subscribers, then we'll see the big show. Some say if you haven't seen a big show, you haven't lived. And you got to be subscribed anyway to win some of my big giveaways. I give away free gold and silver all the time. Shout out to Okie Stacker saying, Snoop Dogg Olympic rounds, go Team USA. Thank you so much for that super chat. The next 8 people to subscribe are going to get good luck for 5 years. It's science! Oh my gosh, channel members, I think we did it. I think we did it. If I refresh, it says 64.6. It's time for a big show. Here we go. Here we go. 64,600. Thank you so much. It's time for a big show.
Crystal Light National Aerobic Championship featuring regional finalists from all across
Thank
the
you so
United
much.
States, competing for the title of America's Best
Thank you so
Aerobic
much.
Athlete, presenting the reigning 1987 Crystal Light National
4-time.
Aerobic Champions.
Introducing
4-time.
Crystal Light Champion, International Stacker.
Thank you so much. You just witnessed the big show, and the name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. 1,900 videos around the world, and I was just in Poland here, just at the Fun Coin Show in Florida here, just in Czech Republic here. We are good. We go everywhere together. 1,900 videos around the world, and ladies and gentlemen, you're not going to believe it. We're at 64,635 subscribers. Thank you so much. Wow. That means we're literally only 65 subscribers away from the next big show as we're watching the full-on onslaught from the bankers here. And breaking news, I'm going to pipe in the Comex right now. This is the reaction to the Shanghai Futures Exchange. Channel members, poor old Mortimer. Now, I got to ask you guys, when I was in Poland in this video here, that's videos in Poland in this one, I met a girl. She works inside the Germanium Mint. She's very strong, stoutly built, and she's looking for a suitor. She loves silver, gold, and copper. So if you think you've got what it takes to be a suitor for Viola, let me know in chat right now.
What's the robot's name?
Viola.
Viola.
Ladies and gentlemen, she's different. She is definitely different, and so is this chart from the Shanghai Futures Exchange, trading at 97.39. Guys, are we going to break 100? Let me mark 100 in green. Okay, let me get 100 perfect here. Who's gonna be with Viola? She wants a suitor. Who's it gonna be? So that's 100. That's where we want to get to. We gapped up to 99.19. Currently trading at 97.37. Thank you, Frey, for subscribing. And guys, you're not going to believe it. We are just 61 subscribers away from the next big show. We're ripping through them. And I'm doing my next big giveaway soon. So if you want free gold copper, you got to be subscribed. Guys, my previous Mega Gauze, before the last year, my first place was kilo bars of silver. I've given away multiple kilo bars of silver on this channel. It's been crazy. I got 40 ounces of silver bits from Dave, says my less any Derman. Nice. Good luck, Dave and Fred's in Mexico. I guess Silver Dave's stuck in Mexico. I'm going to have to check that out. And someone says, I like big bots and I cannot lie. Whoa. Miles Franklin is live. Crab invasion. I'm not ready for a crab raid yet. Are you? Oh, man. There's some comments in chat I can't repeat. Cover your eyes, Viola. Viola's a lady. Come on, guys. She's a lady. So gold is currently trading at 5,166 via the Comex. Silver is at 85.96. But in total clown world fashion, we're at 97.22 in Shanghai. That's over a $12 premium. That's an arbitrage opportunity if I've ever seen one. Why is silver prices on the Comex going down when China gapped up so much, saying let's go for 100 likes? It's totally manufactured. If you look historically, there will be a smash down in the price a lot of times before the Shanghai Futures Exchange opens. It's algo trading, algorithms, probably some wash trading to make that happen. And their whole goal is try to end momentum, try to crash it down to stop this momentum. So you see, we are in red candles, the Shanghai Futures Exchange, and part of that is because of the action on the Comex. But still, we're at 96.92. So we'll see what happens here. We've got a pretty big green candle on silver trading at 86.06 and a pretty decently big green candle on gold at 51.61. So we'll see what happens there. All of trading. Yeah, that's right. All of China is going to start to trade in just 50 seconds. I'm going to issue a warning. Remember, at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 30 seconds from now, all of China is going to start trading. What's going to happen when all of China starts trading? Over 1 billion people. And they want gold and silver, and they want it now. Guys, we're 48 subscribers away from the next big show. Please keep subscribing. Soaring Eagle says that they voided Viola's warranty. Come on, man. That's a funny comment. But Viola is a lady. Okay, here we go. I'm going to count it down. Oh, that's the alarm. It just went. Okay, all of China is now trading, and we're on a green candle. Let's see if the green candle holds. See it right there. We're on, all of China is now trading. It is 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's the future in China. It's tomorrow. It's tomorrow in the morning in China right now. Thoughts on the U.S. Mint Navy Laser Eagle? I haven't looked at it, Achilles. I'd have to look at that and give you my thoughts. Thank you, everybody, so much. The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than Walmart. I do live streams around the world. Earlier, I showed you the clip of when I met Daisy the Camel at the Egyptian pyramids, but I was also live streaming when I was on the Nile River, and we got attacked by pirates live.
Okay, this boat is coming like really close to us. Guys, it's gonna hit the boat. Oh, this is not good. Guys, it's a freaking pirate. Oh my gosh, what's happening? All right, guys, look for art. Does anyone see an RPG in there? Oh, he's selling things.
Okay, it wasn't a pirate. It's an industrious salesman slanging the Egyptian cotton. You guys live made me run down to my room. I found some Egyptian pounds. I had to put it in a plastic weighted bag. I had to drop it overboard. I had to land it into their little dinghy, and you guys said live I would miss it, but I made it. They threw up some Egyptian cotton. I got that. I bought some Egyptian silver as well, and I gave it away to you, so that was pretty fun. That was pretty fun. Can you please say fire horse? My OCD is killing me. Fire horse? I thought you said fire hose. Fire horse. My bad. And thank you so much to Paul for being a member for over a month, saying 100 by Friday. Do you think the chaos in Mexico is going to affect the silver safe harbor trading farm? 100%. 100% at the very least, it's going to slow things down. Remember, guys, why am I so bullish on this stuff? Why am I so bullish on physical silver? Why am I so bullish on physical gold? It's because we have been in a structural deficit for the last 6 years plus in the world. We produce about 835 million ounces of silver, but we consume more than 1.2 billion. We hit peak mining in 2016, and every year since then, mining production has gone down 1 to 3% every single year. This year, the silver short consumption is estimated to be over 1.3 billion ounces of silver. Ladies and gentlemen, silver is the most conductive metal for electricity. It's the most reflective metal. Some of the best thermodynamic properties for a metal. It's antibacterial. It's literally in Mrs. International Stacker's yoga pants. That's why I'm so bullish, because the situation is getting worse. We're running out of silver. We're in a structural deficit, and new mines take anywhere from 10 to 15 years to come on. That is why I'm so bullish in silver. And guess what's happening in Mexico right now with all this chaos? You're going to have mines delayed reopening, mining operations impacted. So yes, it's going to impact it. Remember, Mexico produces and mines 25% of the world's supply. So we're already in a supply deficit, and then even if it's a slowdown a couple days, a week, whatever it is, that's going to be a big deal. Now, is it going to massively change things? Depends how long it goes for. If it only goes for a few days to a week, is it going to impact it? Yes, but not as much. So the longer it goes, the more impact it's going to have. And Brian McQuillan's saying Satan's coin purse is forming again. That's funny. Eee. Okay, I'm looking at all your questions. Buy silver to rage against the machine, saying, can you explain why a mining stock like HL could be down overnight while other mining stocks are... They're just individual companies. So there might be some company news. There might be a location. I'm not sure. I haven't been watching HL close. But not all mining stocks move in tandem, right? So they could have had an announcement. They could have had a deal fall through. They could have fallen short of numbers. The other companies could have had their numbers come out and they're great, and HL hasn't reported yet. It's a bunch of stuff that could affect it. But ladies and gentlemen, we're starting to see what we hear call on this channel colloquially the DTB, the Devil's Teabag. And we don't say it out loud. We only say it on low breath. Did you know 70% of the silver nanoparticles wash out within 10 washes? Well, at least we got 30% of the nanoparticles left chasing that MILF. Thank you for that. Horrible information there. At least she's got a little silver left. And guys, we're forming a DTB on gold as well. Gold's trading at 5,168.38 and silver's trading at 86.55. Did you ever think you could have so much fun watching red candles turn green, then red, then green again? Did ya? We have a fun time here on this channel, that's for sure. And if you got a question and you put it in chat, make sure to put @International Stacker so I could see it. And ladies and gentlemen, we're 39 likes away from 1,600. I know we could do that, so please keep smashing it. And Interpolation saying, yes, there are a few online bullion dealers in the UK down for maintenance again. Well, isn't that interesting? That is interesting. Okie Sooner saying, is there a free app we can download to see the chart you're watching? Yeah, you can download TradingView and you can watch silver and gold on the Comex, no problem. But you're not going to be able to watch this Shanghai price live like this. I had to sign an agreement to get this chart. I had to sign my life away. Scully Optimist, thank you so much for becoming a channel member. Check out your new custom channel member emojis down below. And to all the channel members, remember, you get access to channel members only live streams here on YouTube in the War Room. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Okay, let me scroll up here. I've missed a few more questions. Careful, AI Asian guy is going to start saying, are we having fun watching bars change? Yeah, I know. Is Shanghai going up? Well, it gapped up to 99.19. It's currently trading at 96.34. So it's on a bit of a downtrend, but we're on a green candle here. All of China is trading, so we're going to see what happens here. David Valencia. So we'll see. We'll see. Okie Stacker is saying, as long as it takes the stake away. That's funny. Silver is $1,450 an ounce currently in South Africa. So South Africa, it's 1450 Rand. So let's see this. Rand to USD. He said it's silver's 1450. 1450. That's $90.50. So right now in South Africa, silver's 90.50. Someone said International Stacker is a spy. Had to promise not to give away the chart secrets. Yeah, it was crazy, the agreement. Yeah, I had to sign a crazy agreement. And the chart is still 15 minutes delayed, says silver short here, Stacker. Yeah, that's just the way the chart runs. It's annoying. The Floyd Lawton said, did you know there was a silver and gold in your... Did you know that there is silver and gold in your poop? There is enough in the sewage system of a city of 1 million people to value about 13 million. I mean, I've got two gold crowns. So I'd assume as I chew and stuff, nanoparticles probably do come off. Four Locust is stacking maples. Good idea. I mean, my top 5 mistakes video says, let the deals dictate your buys. If you're getting a good deal, I think it's great. But if you have a choice, get stuff after 2019 because Canadian maple leaves before 2019, a lot of them got milk spots. Would Viola date the Asian AI guy? I don't know. I don't know her type. Maybe if he had the right words. I don't know. 3,000 people on the stream. That's what I do know. Thank you so much. 70 likes to 1,700. I'm sure we could do that. Let's go check out the late breaking news here. When someone's trying to duel me. Hold up. Accept. Guys, the longer you stay in my streams, you earn a digital currency you can only use here. It's not a crypto I'm pumping. It's called Claws. And you could use it here to battle each other, play pirate games, play the slot machine. It's worth absolutely nothing, but it's a fun time while you're hanging out. And just Dario saying, the banksters are slamming silver and other PMs hard right now. This time I recorded it live. I believe it gives a better sense of how the price manipulation works. So he's got a little record there. We are watching live as the bankers employ their tricks. They shall not prevail. I feel like that's wrong. Prevail? I can't spell. Yeah. They shall not prevail. Let's post that out there. Bang. Follow me on X, previously known as Twitter, INT Stacker. I put out breaking news all the time. Shanghai Gold Exchange opens with silver price approximately 95, says Smart Silver Stacker. NBA Economics. Oh, and thank you so much for the super chat, Jalen Michael, USA. Bear trap forming on the 10 to 15 minute. Okay, we'll see what happens there. As NBA Economics is saying, the Comex is short 140 million ounces of silver for March. Shanghai Futures Exchange needs to buy 450 tons to close their naked shorts. Guys, there is a big... I gotta re-put out that tweet. The Shanghai Futures Exchange is changing a lot of the rules on how you cover shorts and how you short on their markets. And that is going to have an impact, and that goes into effect at the end of the month. So just a handful of days away. So I'm going to try to find that tweet later and put it out for you guys again. Okay. Lots of stuff happening. And we still keep an eye. Okay. We got that. Okay, so we've got a new leader of the CJNG cartel in Mexico. This is the cartel that went YOLO down there, closed everything, and that's causing all the drama down there. And their new leader is called O3. He may be an android. I don't know. I'm looking down here. Look at this post right here. Mexico produces 1 out of every 4 ounces of silver mined globally. Yesterday, cartel leader killed. Today, highways blocked, airports closed, violence spreading. Your stack didn't get bigger. The available supply got smaller. So true. So true. This is why we cover geopolitics on this channel, guys. This is why geopolitics are always one of the watch out situations. I heard earlier Silver Dave got trapped in Mexico. I'm going to have to check it out after the stream. Okay, let's see here. That's a nice stack, Silver Lion. Look at that. And we got all this drama with Iran. Do you guys think with Iran, what's going on there? So I want to show you guys something in case you don't know. Strait of Hormuz is super important strategically. 30% roughly of the world's oil passes through here. So if something pops off with Iran, they close the Strait of Hormuz, then Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, a big majority of the UAE, even part of Iraq, they can't get their oil out. Iraq's not really sending much though. So we got a carrier strike group here. We got a carrier strike group now up here. So we're going to see what happens here. Do you guys think a war is going to break out? Do you think a limited military action is going to break out? Or you think it's just being used for leverage for the negotiation? Let me know. As we continue to trend back up on the Comex, guys, 84.50 or 86.55 for silver, and gold is trading up as well on a green candle at 5,171.90. And on the Shanghai Futures Exchange is on the first green candle of the trading session. Remember, we gapped all the way up to 99.19, and we're currently trading at 96.34 on a green candle. So people think it's leveraged. People think something's going to happen. People are thinking all kinds of different things here. Okay. I'm trying to find you guys any late breaking news. This is a journalist. He's stuck down there. I've been following him on X and seeing his video updates. And his flight got canceled. He's down there for another 2 days. He doesn't know how he's going to get home. People are stuck down there. Man, if I would have been down there, I would have been live streaming everything for you guys. That would have been wild. Okay, let's go back here. Let's check out what you guys are tweeting at me now. Interesting. What is gold at there? Someone's saying. Which one is this? Ah. We'll let Silver Trade answer that one. Silver Dave Trap, thank you. I will watch this video. Thank you. Silver supply will be delayed at least 6 months, saying OE. I think he's saying for the Mexico. Shanghai gapped up on open at 99. International Stacker live stream. Thank you. Thank you, Thomas Young, for putting that out. I'm going to retweet that. International Stacker says, Oki Sooner, is there a free app to show candles? Yeah, TradingView. You could download TradingView. You just won't be able to see the Shanghai, but you could see the ticker for the silver you want to use is XAGUSD up here. And then the ticker for gold is XAUUSD. Remember, AU is periodic table for gold. AG is periodic table for silver. So you could download TradingView. It's free. You'll have ads and stuff if you have the free version, but you can get it free and watch those. I'm going to watch that video right after the end of the stream. Chart will opens market. Price is showing over 2 minutes. Wait. Chart will show what the Shanghai open market price will be showing on your chart in 2 minutes. Interesting. Oh, because it's delayed 15 minutes. I see what you're saying. Yeah. Okay, let's go back here to the news. Thank you, Am Cold Chillin', for tweeting this out. Really appreciate that. Patrick Murray saying, I saw AG John OG. Come on. Real time, you're way slow. This is real time. Thank you. We'll go there. Allow ads. So Shanghai spot per Shanghai Futures at 96.82, and we're currently showing 96.42. Ugh. I got ads everywhere. Okay, we'll go back here. And we're working on this formation. We'll see what we could do here. 3,000 people on the live stream. So thank you so much, guys. We are just 12 likes away from 1,700. I know we could do it. And we are literally at 64,673. That means we're only 27 subscribers away from 64,700. And that's the next big... Here's what I'm going to do. If we can hit 65,000 on the stream, honestly, that's only a couple hundred away. We should be able to do that quick. I'll give away some silver right now. if we could hit 65,000. I'll give away free silver right now. I will go dig it out and give it away. Currently the 96.40 in the Shanghai Futures Exchange. Okay, let's go here. 59.75 on this gold to silver ratio. So we were back over 60. Now we're back below. 59.75 ounces of silver for 1 ounce of gold. Ugh. I will do it. I never say something I don't do. We'll give it away. I might even give away some gold. YOLO. Sometimes you just got to say YOLO, you know what I mean? Give it away. Trying to find you guys any late breaking news here. Look, gonna buy this chair when gold gets to 10,000. So funny. That is so funny. And we are just 5 subscribers away from 64,700, which will be the next big show here. Some say if you haven't seen a big show, you haven't lived. When silver hits 100 again, the first thing... Okay. Guys, when silver hits $100 an ounce again, are you going to stop buying to see what happens? Are you going to buy more? Or are you going to keep buying at the same level? Let me know. Okay, channel members, we did it. You know what to do. Here we go. We did it. It's time for the big show. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. 4-time. 4-time.
Introducing the 4-time.
Thank you so much.
International Stacker.
Thank you so much. The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. And Brian McQuillan, Diamond Claw, saying, if you hit 65,000 on this stream, I will throw in a dollar face of 90% to give away as well. Wow. Who wants it? Who wants the free silver and gold? Guys, we're just 293 away if you guys want to make that happen. 293 subs away from that. I want your silver and I want it now. Should I take... Let me see what I got here. A second. Let me see what I got around here. What do I got around here to give away? Well, first, let's click on Shanghai. What kind of silver do I have? I got some ideas on what I can give away. Specific to give away. Where did I put it? I mean, I could give away some pretty cool stuff. I could just go YOLO and give away some pretty cool stuff here. I don't know. You guys want it? Thank you so much to Karan Vintage for becoming a channel member. Really appreciate it. Sitting here in Canada on my 66th birthday watching you. Thank you, Peter. Can we get a happy birthday in chat for Peter? Ooh, and Silver Pug wants to win a silver-lined yoga pants. Whoa. I've got a satchel here that's burning a hole in my pocket. Let me find it. Where is it? Are you guys ready to see something new Germanium Mint's doing? They're starting to put out pins for some of their most popular designs and bars. Look at those. These are enamel pins. Aren't they cool? So I'm starting to collect these. Cool stuff. He-Man's Mrs. ISU's yoga pants. Yeah, not my. Oh, no, you're not getting any of Mrs. IS's yoga. You disgusting. That's fun. No! Stupid Stacking says, give the silver and I'll give away 5 memberships. Whoa! You guys, Stupid Stacking says, give the silver and I'll give away 5 memberships. Wow. Rex Wiles, thank you so much for becoming a channel member. Thank you. One big 5,000 ounce giveaway. Just go crazy. Give it all away. Give away the equivalent of a contract. Call it the Comex contract giveaway. Woo! Look at this. My brothers, forge ahead. The crabitalists are coming. That's funny. That is funny. That is hilarious. I guess go back to the news. Thank you so much, man, for becoming a channel member. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. I'll see you in the war room next time I have one going. I'll probably do 2 this week. Christmas Island crabs. Look it up. You won't be disappointed. I seen that. That is epic. Joe Ina, look at him. Thank you for the super chat saying I like that. If you hit 65,000 subs, I'll throw in 1 silver round and 1 copper round. Let's go. Guys, people are throwing in the gauntlets. People are throwing in the gauntlets. We are just 278 subs away from a giveaway here. If you guys want it, you got to subscribe. That will be a dollar face 90%, a copper and a silver round from Joina, and whatever I throw in, which might just be mega. It might be mega. We'll see here. We'll see what we do here. Coining Around, good to see you. Coining Around saying thank you, International Stacker, for the raid last night. Guys, we raided Coining Around. Thank you for that super chat, Coining Around. Really appreciate that. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed watching you. You had some really funny scenes. I got some funny scenes here, too. Might show them off to you here in a little bit. We might be here a little, someone says. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to hit it. I thought it was going to move quicker with 3,000 people. Odds are 70% of the people watching right now are not subscribed, because that's usually how it goes. So I thought we could hit it like instantly. Whoa, Silver Short Hair Stacker says they'll give away herpes at 65. That's something we don't want there. And we're just 75 subscribers away from the next big show. That's something Coining Around definitely needs to see. That would be 64,800. I got 5 on it, says A-Dub. Thank you, A-Dub. And you get some big shows along the way. Yeah. Some say if you haven't seen a big show, you haven't lived. Silver right now in the Comex is trading at $86.02. Gold's trading at $5,166. They're fighting. Shanghai Futures Exchange is trading at $96.73. I just received 4 ounces of silver from AU Bullion, major dealer here in AU. Oh, and in Australia, I think. The delay was 2 months. Crazy, but I'm glad you got it. So glad you got it. Wow, we're 2 likes away from 1,900. The next 2 people to hit like, good luck for 17 months. It's science. And Coining Around just became a channel member. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now you're a Crab Cadet. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And channel members, remember, channel members get access to channel member only live streams here on YouTube called The War Room. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Clothing is not optional. Woo! And we are now 71 subscribers away from the next big show. Let's go back here to the news. Thank you, Coining Around. I'm happy to have you here. Indeed, spoofing galore on silver is the right direction of what's happening. So look at this. If you don't know what spoofing is, put spoofing in chat and I'll explain it to you. So I was watching 11,000 and 5,500 lots on the ask, bringing the price down. in the last hour of AH spoofing galore too. Man. I think we do need a baby gator, guys. I think we do need a baby gator. Some scientists say it works 90% of the time, every time, to turn a red candle green or a green candle into a BGC, a big green candle. I was live streaming in Boca Raton, Florida, near dangerous gator-infested waters, and you all told me to call a gator.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
I thought I was going to be like Chubbs from Happy Gilmore with a little nub. And thank you so much, Bomber, gifted a membership. That went to user 47221. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis, and I'll see you in the war room. Okay, people want to know what spoofing is. So here's what it is, and it's not... Bankers have gone... Watch. Banks fined for silver and gold manipulation. Watch this. So what you're going to see here is in 2022, JP Morgan Chase, or 2020, excuse me, paid over $920 million. Two of their bankers went to jail. Scotiabank paid $127 million. Deutsche Bank paid $30 million. HSBC paid $1.6 million. UBS paid $15 million. So on and so forth. All the big banks do it, and sometimes they get caught. So there's two illegal things on the Comex, and really you can do this in any market. It's called spoofing and wash trading. Okay. Queen's Beast for 200. Should I pull should I pull the trigger? Says Achilles sword. What is that for, Achilles? Remind me. Oh, okay, what's the current spot price? I feel like you could get it cheaper. I feel like you could get a 2-ounce Queen's Beast for cheaper. Counter offer them. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. Okay. So what spoofing is when you put in a big sell order or you put in a big buy order. And I'm talking huge, thousands of contracts, thousands of shares, whatever you're doing, with the intention of never executing it. So if I put in a huge sell order down here, like 1 million ounces of fake paper silver, all of a sudden the algorithms, other traders would see that big order, people would start to panic, and that could drive the market down. But what makes it spoofing, what makes it illegal spoofing is when you cancel the order before it ever executes. So you put it in an order with the only intent to move the market and not get executed. So that is called spoofing. Now, what wash trading is if I was to buy and sell, like, say, one contract, I buy it, then I immediately sell it. Then I buy it, then I immediately sell it. Then I buy it, then I immediately sell it. That's called wash trading. That creates fake volume, the stuff you see down here. And wow, we've got massive volume for a night. Wow. The volumes, look, these are day trading spikes. Day. Look how big this night is almost the same size as some of the days. Wow. That's intense. But yeah, wash trading creates fake volume and can help push the market in one way or another. Thank you, Bomber, for gifting another membership. That went to Hermit Camper. Check out your new custom channel member emojis, Hermit. And I'll see you in the war room the next time I have a war room. Channel member only live stream here on YouTube. I had a knee-jerk reaction this summer, says Okie Sooner. The first time I saw the new Oklahoma Goldbacks, I fell in love with them, and now I'm glad I did. Nice. Lucky Luke coins for the crab raid. You guys want to do a crab raid? We could. I'm not quite done with the stream yet, but we could do a crab raid at the end. Let's see who's live. Yeah, AppMex is reliable. They're big. They're one of the more expensive ones. I mean, I've gotten great deals on AppMex, but you can probably find better deals. You're going to want to look for better deals on SD Bullion or Bold Precious Metals first. Get the best deal. And some of those online bullion companies, they have a starter pack, 5 ounces at spot. So wherever you're buying from, see if they have the starter packs, $5 at spot. Just you can just search you can search AI to help you with that. So we got Lucky Luke's. Okay, who do you guys want to crab raid tonight? We got choices tonight. So we got Lucky Luke's. He's got a 1,100 subs, 6 watching. Or we could do Mobile Coins. He's got 3,000 subs, 15 people watching. Or we can do BH Customs. He's pouring silver and working. He's got 7,000 subs, 11 watching. Which one of those do you guys want to do? I'm making sure there's no one else. No, it's those three. Which one do you guys want to do? Okay, Lucky Luke. We're not going to go quite yet. I just want to see what you guys want to do for the crab raid. I'm seeing Lucky Luke's. I'm seeing BH Customs. I'm seeing BH. Okay, I'm going to have to put a poll. Hold up. Poll coming. It's between BH and... Okay. Who to crab raid? So let me show you guys again. BH Customs is this one right here. And he's pouring silver live with someone else. They're working on silver live. They got 11 people watching. Or Lucky Luke's is here. He's coin roll hunting. He's got 6 watching. Okay, so that's going to be the vote. So BH Customs pouring silver. Lucky Luke coin roll hunting. So guys, pick which one you want to do. Let me know. And silver right now is trading at 86.85. We are going back up on silver on the Comex. We're going back up on gold as well, 5,179. And we're going back up on the Shanghai Futures Exchange as well. We just crossed the $97 threshold, trading at $97.12. Wow. So far, BH Customs is winning it. We've got 138 votes. He's got 66% of the vote. We're going to give it a little bit longer here, but I think he's probably going to take it. And that will be fun. And he did pour a silver crab recently in honor of the Crustacean Nation. He did pour a silver crab. So let's just get him primed here. Let me just grab that. Boop. He did pour a silver crab. He donated it to a St. Jude's auction. Pretty stand-up thing to do, in my opinion. I believe a lot in giving to charity. I try to always give back to the community. Okay, we got that set. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for joining. The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Believe it or not, we are only 23 likes away from 2,000 likes. Can we hit it? Do you guys like these streams? Let me know. Okay, BH Customs is going to win it. So when we're ready, we will do BH Customs. 245 votes, 67%. Maybe we could get him to pour silver crab alive. That would be wild, huh? Stupid Stacking says, I take charity. Great job hosting the show. Thank you. I hope you guys have fun in these shows. I try to make them fun, especially when I actually put in the real work and take on the bankers for you guys. Whoops. That's the one I wanted. Poor Mortimer. I hit the wrong button there for a second. Silly me. Okay. Oh, look, some people are already dropping crabs in here. Some people are leaking it. Let me get it ready. It's a crab raid. So, guys, here's the rules on crab raids. They're meant to be a blessing. It's meant to help smaller creators out. It really helps them a lot with the algorithm. The only 2 things I ask is that when we go, you put crabs in the chat and that you smash the like button. It's up to you if you want to subscribe. The only time I say let's subscribe is that if they're like right next to a major milestone, okay? So it's up to you if you want to subscribe. And I think we're ready to go. Guys, the next time I'm going to be live is 7:45 a.m. in the morning, tomorrow morning for the market open. We're going to see what Shanghai does tonight. It could be crazy. So I'm going to end the stream, and it's automatically going to take you to the crab raid. I'll also drop a link in chat just in case you don't get taken automatically. But we're about to crab raid. We're going together. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate all the support. I've got a big giveaway coming up on the horizon, so make sure you're subscribed. Turn on those notifications. I will see you at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the morning, sipping on Mrs. International Stacker coffee, and I guess I'll say CYOTNO. Catch you on the next one. Who is ready for a crab raid?